I want to acknowledge, you said earlier, which was, you said, why am I going to do all this work and then I'm not even going to get a recall or a callback?
Mm.
Why are you acting?
Because I love it. Because it gives me a buzz. Because I can't see myself doing anything else. Everything
Okay,
else bores me.
great. So, what if doing the work give you a buzz when you shoot it?
Maybe.
Has it ever?
Well, it has when I got this recall, knowing that I'd done the work.
Okay, so we are still going to continue with you to get out of the results. It's all about results for you. You relate to that, don't you, huh? Maybe that shows up in your real life a little bit.
Yeah.
So, like, how can you let go of the results and give, oh my God, I can relate to this, and give yourself the pleasure of acting, regardless of whether they recall you or not? And I
Mm,
put money on it, you're going to get more recalls.
mm. I feel like you've said this to me hundreds of times. I just
And
need to actually
you
listen
know
to
what,
you.
Maria? I'll say it to you 100 more. And I'll say it to you 1,000 times. That's why we have teachers. That's why we listen. That's why we keep showing up. I'll say it to you 100 million times. There's no judgment here on you. But I would really like you to think about that. Oh my God, I got an audition. This is my opportunity to put this stuff to work. I, how can I make this fun for me?
Mm.
What would make this fun? What would make this feel like I'm sitting down to watch a movie? Whatever's fun for you.